Good morning, kids, and welcome back to a new video. This is teacher Farah Zurek from Oxford Schools, and today's lesson is target vocabulary of our new story, Half Chicken. We will be covering pages 310 and 311 in the Journey's Common Core Students book. Alright, so right now I will introduce you the vocabulary that we'll be using in our new story, and we will read them right now. So the first vocabulary new one is tumbling. Tumbling. Again, repeat after me. Tumbling. What does that mean? Let's use it in context. This acrobat is tumbling through the air. This girl is the acrobat. She is tumbling through the air. What does that mean? When this acrobat is flipping backwards, and jumping and falling, jumping and falling over and over. This process is called tumbling. What does that mean? If you're tumbling, you're falling and turning over and over. Tumbling, falling, and jumping backwards over and over. Whenever like she touches the ground and then she jumps through the air, touches the ground, this process again is called tumbling. Alright? Flung, flung. Repeat after me. Flung. When something is flung, it is thrown with force. So, when something is flung, it is thrown with force. So obviously this girl has thrown either a frisbee or a ball for the dog to fetch. So she has thrown whatever was in her hand with force. Why? So it will be thrown far away so the dog will be able to fetch it. So, what does that mean? If you flung something, you throw it hard. So, she must throw the frisbee or the ball in her hand very hard so it will be far away so the dog will be able to fetch it. Flung, if something is thrown hard. Tangled, tangled. Remember the movie Tangled? Yes, these pieces of string are tangled. It is hard to separate them. Can you see this knot over here? Yes. So all of these strings are like in a like um pile over here, and it is like not a hard one, and it's really hard to separate them. Tangled. These pieces of string are tangled. So what does that mean? It means that they are mixed together with something else. So they are mixed together and it's hard to separate them. It is hard to separate them. Empty, empty, empty. This pot is empty. There is nothing in it. Remember, anything that has nothing in it, we say empty. What does it mean? If something is empty, there is nothing in it. So for example over here, this pot has no food in it whatsoever, so it is empty, empty. Swift. Swift horses move very fast. Swift horses move very fast. But what does that mean? Swift. We know that horses are really fast. So, once they move very fast, we call them swift. Swift horses. It means something that is swift moves very fast. Swift, very fast. Swift, something that moves very fast. Number 6, peacefully. Peacefully, peacefully. This is an adverb. Peacefully, the farm animals are sleeping peacefully. How are they sleeping? Peacefully. Nothing is bothering them. Once they are sleeping peacefully, it means it happens in a way that is quiet and calm. Can you see how quiet and calm they are? They are in peace. They are sleeping peacefully. Number 7, stream. Stream. This stream flows into a larger river. So a river It is very large in width. A stream is like a river, only smaller. So a stream is a small narrow body of water that may flow into or out of river. So the stream is a smaller version of a river, and it may or may not flow in another river. Stream, stream. A stream is a small narrow body of water that may flow into or out of a river. All right. Number 8. Blazed. A forest fire blazed or burned brightly for many hours. So whenever the fire like this has like lightning out of it and it is very bright, it is very bright. So we say the fire is blazed. The fire is blazed. What does that mean? If a fire blazed, it burned very brightly and strongly. So the fire blazed. It was very bright and strong. It spread everywhere. So whenever the fire is very bright and strong, it means it blazed. So, a forest fire blazed or burned brightly. Whenever the fire burns brightly, it means it blazed. This was it for this video. These are the vocabulary for our new selection. I hope you have enjoyed it and thank you for watching.